Level detectors for hard to handle fluids in pressurized tanks or vessels. Differential pressure level detectors Part 3. Hard to handle fluids in pressurized tanks oblique vessels. For pressurized tanks, HTG, hydrostatic tank gauge by differential pressure cell is less suitable. The large difference between the storage pressure and small hydrostatic pressure variation causes inaccurate results. Also, the fitting to the transmitter nozzle on pressurized tanks, which are usually spherical, is costly and often unacceptable. In some applications, the process material in the pressure vessel is hard to handle, which is frequently encountered in the cases where the vapor space also contains materials such as foam that can build up and plug the sensing line of the compensating leg. Figure in next slide shows 5 methods for dealing with these applications. Installation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These installations number 1 to number 6 shall be discussed in the subsequent slides. Request: it is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe. Vessel 1. Vessel 1 shows an extended differential pressure transmitter in the liquid region and an extended repeater in the vapor space. Here is the diagram showing extended mounted diaphragm seal differential pressure cell, and here we are having the symbol for the same. Here we are having extended diaphragm type pneumatic positive pressure repeater, and here we are having the symbol for the same. The use of these devices eliminates all possible plugging problems because the sensing diaphragms are flush with the inside of the vessel wall. This detecting system will function properly on all except the most difficult crystallizer applications, where the inside wall of the tank might be coated with a layer of crystals. The extended chemical seals shown on vessel number 2 will provide an installation similar to that on vessel 1 and will perform similarly if temperature differences between the wafers or ambient temperature variations do not cause inaccuracies. Here the DP cell with extended chemical seal element and remote capillary tube connection is shown, and here we are having the symbol for the same. Vessel number 3 and 4. Vessel number 3 and 4 are equipped with extended differential pressure transmitters, but a purge flow prevents the process vapors from entering the compensating legs. The purge medium can be either liquid or gas and can be applied to both dry and wet leg installations. Such systems require additional maintenance and range suppression adjustments, and corrosion or condensate accumulation can cause calibration or reliability problems. Vessel number 5. Vessel number 5 shows a local indicator equipped with extended chemical seals. This device is subject to temperature effects and requires large displacement seals to match the displacement of the differential pressure indicator. Purged installations are also acceptable if the availability of a purge media and maintenance are both reliable and if the process can tolerate accumulation of the purge flow. As shown in figure in next slide, such purge flow meters can be installed to keep the pressure taps open of head type flow meters that are measuring the flows of slurries or fibrous process fluids and can protect the differential pressure transmitter of other readout device from contracting high temperature, corrosive or abrasive fluids etc. As an example, the purge flow meter installation serving to keep the pressure taps open while isolating the differential pressure readout device from the process fluid is shown. The same type of arrangement is to be done for level measurement also. Flat diaphragm elements. The vessels number 1 through number 5 flat diaphragm elements can also be considered, but it should be realized that they do not completely eliminate the dead-ended nozzle cavities in which material can accumulate. Such designs should be considered only where it is essential to have an isolating valve between the tank and the level device, so that the tank will not have to be drained prior to removal of the instrument. Extended diaphragm transmitter. The extended diaphragm transmitter repeater installation is attractive for pressure vessels containing hard to handle materials if isolation valves are not required. Request. It is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like. Please subscribe.